Are the different types of quadratic equation? Okay, we're going to start off with the second one because the second one's easy. Okay, what you'll notice is they have something in common. They have x's in both of them. Everybody happy with that? You take out x. Oh, we'll start off with number 2, and what you'll notice is that number 2 will have x's in both of them. Take out x, and what you're left with now, x multiplied by what gives you x squared? X multiplied by what gives you minus 16? X. Now you stop there. What do you do first? Ben?
It's x equals 0.
X equals 0.
X minus 16 equals 0.
X minus 16 equals 0.
And then x equals 16.
X equals 16. Okay. This method goes to 2 other questions. It goes to question 5 and question 6. Yes, Aaron?
The way I did it.
Questions to question 2 are question 5 and question 6. And look at question 5. Now, what can we take out of question 5?
X minus 7.
X. Take out x, and what you're left with inside the bracket?
X.
Yeah.
Minus 7.
Okay. Then what? How'd you finish it off? It's the part Aaron forgot. Remember, Aaron? How'd you finish this off?
You do x
Equals?
x equals
0 and x minus 7 equals 0.
Good man. Bring the 7 over your side.
Yeah. X equals 7.
Okay, Aaron, you're up on this one. What can you take out of number 6?
x.
And what else can you take out?
2.
2. What's left over?
X and
Yeah.
7.
2x equals?
2x equals 0 and then x equals 7. It's minus 7.
So where does this minus 7 go?
So the side it's x equals 7.
Now where does that 2 go?
X equals 2?
No. It was 2 plus x, you'd be right. But it's 2 multiplied by x. So where does the 2 go?
Okay.
Underneath. Because multiplication turns to? Division. What's 0 divided by 2? Do you notice they're the same answers for question 5 and question 6? Do you see that? Anybody want to explain why? Or any similarities? What did I do to question 5 to make question 6?
Times it by 2.
I times it by 2.
Oh.
Yeah, I got the same answer.
I know.
So I can times it by any number and it'll still be the same answer.
I thought it was just because it's 7 and then it's 14 and then it's x and then it's 2x.
Yeah, but I changed the 2, I multiplied them both by 2. So it keeps the same ratio. Okay, now lads, next thing we're going to look at is number 1. Now number 1, what's the key difference between number 1 and number 2?
One has an x and the other doesn't.
Sorry?
One has an x and the other doesn't.
You can't take out anything here. There's nothing in common to take out, is there? No. You change 16 into 4 squared. Everybody agree that 16 is 4 squared? And what's left over then, and Ryan?
What's left over then?
You open up your 2 brackets. Guys, so it's x squared minus 4 squared.
So x and minus 4 in the first bracket, or x
Same thing.
plus 4. Same.
X plus 4 equals 0. X equals?
X equals minus 4.
X minus 4 equals 0.
X equals plus 4.
Okay. Just while we're at it, I'm going to do a bonus question very similar to that. Now this question is very similar to the number 1. This question is going to be x squared minus 49 equals 0. Is there any letter you can take out in common? No. So, what number is 49 when you square it? So what number when squared gives you 49? What's the answer now, Shane? Okay, then after that? And then your 2 answers? Oh, here. I made a copy of it as opposed to... Yeah. So, bring it over to your side. X equals minus 7 and x equals plus 7. Okay, finally, we have the reference number 1s to do, which is questions 3 and 4. Now, question 3. What is the reference number then?
Minus 24.
For question 3?
Yeah, plus 24.
This is plus 24. If it's a plus 1, you either need 2 minuses or 2 pluses, whichever. So we're looking for 10. So what numbers will multiply to give you 24? Ryan?
3 and 7.
3 and 8.
Yeah.
2 and 12. 6 and 4. How do you make 10 out of them?
6 and 4.
You could also use 2 and 12, but why do you disqualify 2 and 12?
Because you need 2 negatives or 2 positives, and you have to have a negative and a positive.
2 negatives, minus 6, minus 4, both negative. Multiply to give you 24. Add together to give you minus 10. We disqualify plus 2 minus 12.
Because there would have to be 2 minuses.
Exactly, you need 2 minuses for this one. So, we get rid of that, and then our answer for this is going to be x minus 6, x minus 4 equals 0. Then after that,
X minus 6 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0.
then after that,
X equals 6. X equals 4.
and many people got x equals 6, x equals 4. Okay, not enough E. Okay, want more E being able to do it. Now, no, what about the reference number in the second question?
It's minus 24.
Sorry? It's minus 24, good man. What's the significance of the minus 24 as opposed to a plus 24?
Only multiply you need a positive or negative number.
Nailed it. Well done. Are you going to remember that in a month's time?
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully, because you're going to be asked in a month's time. I'm going to make sure it comes up. Now, what is the reference number?
Minus 24.
2 numbers that will multiply to give you minus 24, but add to give you minus 10.
2 and 12.
Okay, which one's which?
Minus. Wait, is it minus 2 plus 12 or
Minus 2 plus 12 will give you plus 10. You want?
plus 2 minus 12?
Because you want minus 10.
Yeah.
So you're going to go the opposite way around. Plus 2 minus 12. So what happens when we open up the brackets?
X plus 2
Yeah.
and x minus 12.
Then finish it off.
X plus 2 equals 0. X minus 12 equals 0.
Yeah, finish it off then.
X equals minus 2. X equals plus 12.
Okay, happy enough with that? Okay, for homework tonight, 2 things. First thing is I want you to take down this question on the board. X squared minus 9x equals 0, and the other one is 2 questions. Okay.